I remember the story of a man who wanted to teach his chicken how to fly like an eagle. Every day he would bring the chicken to the backyard and lift it up and throw it into the air. And he would shout, "Fly, my friend, you can do it. Soar like an eagle." But every single time the chicken would just flap twice and crash to the ground, head first. After many days of frustrating tries, he got so annoyed and he said, "Alam mo, manok, wala kang kapag-asa sa buhay. Mas may plano pa ako kaysa sa'yo. Ikaw wala kang plano. Ako maraming plano sa'yo. Ang ganda-ganda ng plano ko sa'yo na makalipad ka kagaya ng mga eagles. Makita mo yung mga kabundukan, makarating ka sa malayong lugar. Ang ganda ng plano ko sa'yo. Pero ikaw naman ako, wala kang kaplano-plano sa buhay. Sayang ang pagtitiwala ko sa'yo." Alam mo, hindi nakatiis ang kanyang kapitbahay, yung kumpare niya lumapit sa kanya. Sabi na kanya, "Bro, I think the problem is not the chicken or the chicken's attitude or lack of determination or plan. It's just chicken are not designed by God to soar like an eagle. They could just run, jump, fly a little, but their best ability is to lay eggs, not to fly high or like an eagle or to soar like an eagle." Mga kapatid, some of us are like that man. We keep on forcing our own dreams, our own timing, our own direction. Even when God gently say or show us that it's not my plan for you. Ini-insist natin, ang plano natin, hindi natin tinatanong si Lord, "Lord, ano ba ako? Eagle ba ako o chicken?" Sometimes we are chicken at gusto natin, "Lord, gusto kong lumipad na kagaya ng mga eagles yan." Chicken ka nga eh. Iba man ang plano ng Diyos sa'yo. Ang plano ng Diyos sa'yo is umitlog ng umitlog, hindi lumipad ng lumipad. Sometimes pinipilit natin ang plano natin, ang sarili nating makagustuhan na hindi natin tinatanong, ang nag-design sa atin. Ano ba ang design sa akin ng may likha?